Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your computer recordings on Zoom. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have recordings and you want to know which computer is on. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, what we're first going to do is hop onto our Zoom account, which looks like this right here. And then on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to where it says recordings and transcripts. So here you're going to see three different types of recordings and transcripts. The first one is cloud recordings, the second one is computer recordings, and the third one is transcripts. So go ahead and click on computer recordings. So once you click on this option here, you're going to see a list of all of your recordings from who knows how long. So either way, you do need to make sure that in order to access that recording, you are going to need to access that computer. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and access your computer recordings. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.